Decrease 10 meters by 60%. A. 16 meters. B. 12 meters. C. 8 meters. D. 6 meters. E. 4 meters. Solution. 60% of 10 meters equals 60 divided by 100 times 10 equals 600 divided by 100. 600 divided by 100 gives 6. Then, 60% of 10 meters equals 6 meters. Therefore, to decrease 10 meters by 60% will be 10 meters minus 6 meters equals 4 meters. The correct answer is E. Which of the following is equal to 18%? A. 1800. B. 900. C. 9 over 50. D. 50 over 9. E. 15. Solution. Let's write 18% in fraction, which is equals 18 over 100. Divide both by 2. 18 divided by 2 gives 9. 100 divided by 2 gives 50. Equals 9 over 50. Therefore 18% expressed in its simplest fraction equals 9 over 50. The correct answer is C. Express 2.45 in fraction. A. 24 and half. B. 2 and half. C. 2 whole number, 9 over 20. D. 24 whole number, 9 over 20. E. 9 over 20. Solution. 2.45 expressed as a mathematical fraction equals 2 whole number, 45 over 100. Divide through by 5. 45 divided by 5 gives 9. 100 divided by 5 gives 20. Therefore, 2.45 expressed in fraction equals 2 whole number, 9 over 20. The correct answer is C.